Last time we checked out the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9, which was very impressive at 49 inches, but now we got something even bigger. This right here is the Odyssey Neo G9, which is 57 inches, two 32-inch monitors in one. This is taking things to a whole new level. Let's check it out. At 57 inches, this ultrawide monitor makes the 49-inch Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 seem tiny. In fact, the Odyssey Neo G9 is effectively a larger version of the latter. That's not a problem considering how the Odyssey OLED G9 is one of the best curved monitors we've ever tested. I was impressed by the Odyssey Neo G9's immersive 1000R curved OLED display, sharp resolution, smooth refresh rate, and fast response time. I'll need more hands-on time to render a final verdict, but based on my experience, the Odyssey Neo G9 could be a stellar gaming monitor for those who have space on their gaming desk and who could afford it. At 57 inches wide, the Odyssey Neo G9 is absolutely enormous, but that wide field of view provides for an immersive gaming experience. The V-shaped stand is wide, but its thin legs don't take up much space. If you like placing your gaming keyboard at an angle while gaming, the stand's legs shouldn't get in your way. Like the Odyssey OLED G9, the Odyssey Neo G9 has an all-silver chassis covering its back. There's also RGB lighting surrounding the monitor mount. And in case you're wondering, you can configure the RGB lighting to correspond with what's happening on display for that extra level of immersion. Not only is its 1000R curvature immersive, but images look bright and colorful at a sharp 7680 by 2160 resolution. I tested a range of titles with different visual styles. Fortnite, with its cartoonish art style and bold colors, looked phenomenal on the Odyssey Neo G9. Not only that, but the sharp resolution and 32:9 aspect ratio allowed me to see players who were trying to sneak up on me. Call of Duty Warzone's comparatively realistic graphics also look great on the monitor. Samsung says the monitor's quantum matrix technology with quantum mini LEDs creates controlled brightness and improved contrast for better definition. We'll need to get the Odyssey Neo G9 into our testing lab to confirm these claims, but to my eyes, the monitor delivers excellent image quality. Like the Odyssey OLED G9, the Odyssey Neo G9 allows for picture-in-picture from two different sources simultaneously. You'll be able to, for example, view a console game on one part of the display and a website on the other. The 240Hz refresh rate helped make Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, and Need for Speed Unbound run buttery smooth. The Odyssey Neo G9 features AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, which serves to prevent screen tearing and stuttering. You can pre-order the Samsung Odyssey G9 starting today, and the monitor is scheduled to debut in October. Anyone who pre-orders before October 1st receives a $500 Samsung credit. While the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 might be an oversized version of the already gargantuan Odyssey OLED G9, it seems to tick all the right boxes for what I personally look for in a gaming monitor. Its impressive field of view, smooth and fast performance, elegant design, and sharp visuals are all top-notch. Alright guys, so that was our look at the Odyssey Neo G9 57-inch gaming monitor. Again, really impressive stuff, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. For everything else, make sure you follow Tom's Guide on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and also tomsguide.com. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time.